Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Coffee Break with Vesa. Tara, samahan niyo ko sa aking munting house tour for today's video. But before we start, don't forget to share, like, and comment down below, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Here's our home sweet home. And tara, pasok po tayo sa bahay. Love begins at home, ika nga. So, tara, pasok po tayo. And welcome to our simple home dito sa Los Angeles, California. Say hi to Papi. Welcome. Ito po ang aming munting bahay-bahayan dito sa California. Ayan ang aming living room. And two-story po yung bahay with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. And ayan po ang aming mga family portraits right there on the staircase. Living room again. And andito po ang aking daddy and ang aking mommy. So sa aming dining set, andito ang aking daddy. And going on our kitchen, the si Ken. Ayan po. And yep, so ayan po ang aking iniikutan sa araw-araw, ang aking bahay-bahayan. This is where I usually spend so much of my time cooking, preparing meal for my family. And of course, ito ang pinaka-busy section kaya kailangan laging malinis. So welcome to our Aberion's Kitchen. Ay, isang regalo po yun sa amin ni Jennifer, ang aming family friend. And ito po yung aming newly renovated patio na aming pina-covered na. And my brother just did putting a division or a sliding door para may privacy ang ating extended guest area, guest receiving area. And dahil birthday ng aking asawa at aking anak, we have a little party for everyone, for our family. And ito po ang ating backyard kung saan nandyan ang aking mga doggies, ang ating mga kids. Ayun ang aming mga babies. So, nandiyan siya sa kabilang side. Si Ken nasa loob, si Panda nasa labas, at si KitKat nagtatago. So, yan po ang aking showcase ngayon. And thank you for watching. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo while while I'm showing my house, our house. And yun po ang aming labor of hard work. Hindi pa nga po tapos yung divider na ginawa namin. Pipinturahan pa siya and a lot of more additional stuff. So yan nga po si Mami. Say hi to Mami Emmy. So yan po, thank you so much for watching. Yan ang aming mga cars. At ang aking papi ay naghihintay na si Papi. Magpipika po kami ng mga pagkain. So, alis na po si Mama Tessa at si Papi. Thank you again for watching and continue to support and share our videos. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. And I hope na sa Thank you everyone. This is Coffee Break with Jess.